Hello and welcome to AI Makoto Works. In this video, we'll be explaining environment variables that can be used in Dify's ChatFlow. By leveraging environment variables, you can securely manage critical information like API keys and database passwords, and use them efficiently within ChatFlow. This eliminates the need to embed sensitive information directly into nodes, making it easier to share common settings across multiple nodes. In this video, we'll demonstrate the basic usage of environment variables with a simple ChatFlow example. Stay tuned until the end to learn how to use them effectively. Let's get started. Let me explain the environment variables in Dify. In the case of ChatFlow, click the ENV button located at the top right of the screen. Next, select Add Variable. This will open a screen where you can define environment variables. There are three types of environment variables you can define. The first is string, which is used to define text or sentences. The second is number, used for defining numerical values. The third is secret, which is used for registering information that could pose a security risk if accessed by third parties. For secrets, you can set confidential information such as API keys. Once saved, the content will be displayed as asterisks, making it unreadable directly. This mechanism helps to prevent information leaks effectively. Let's see how to use environment variables in practice. For this demonstration, we've created a ChatFlow as shown here. In this ChatFlow, a user's input question is answered by an LLM node. The response from the LLM node is then sent as a text file through a subsequent HTTP node. The HTTP node is configured to send the file to Azure Blob Storage. To enable this, environment variables are used to set the resource name and SAS token required for blob storage access. As you can see, the content defined in the secret environment variable is displayed as asterisks, ensuring security. Environment variables can be directly referenced and defined in nodes like the HTTP node. Simply type // and a list of available environment variables will appear. You can then select the desired variable from the suggestions to use it seamlessly. Now let's run the ChatFlow. When you start the chat and ask a question, the LLM node generates a response. The response is sent to Azure Blob Storage using the HTTP node. Additionally, the LLM's response is also displayed on the chat screen for your reference. Let's check the content sent to Azure Blob Storage. Inside the uploaded text file, we can confirm that the response generated by the LLM node has been successfully saved. By using environment variables, the HTTP node was able to reference the SAS token and other necessary text, ensuring accurate and secure transmission. When a secret variable is defined using environment variables, running Export DSL will display a selection screen. Here you can choose whether or not to include the content of the secret variables in the exported DSL file. If you select Export Secret Values, please handle the DSL file with care to prevent any leakage of critical information, such as API keys. Here is the content of the DSL file when Export Secret Values is selected. As you can see, the SAS token defined in the secret variable is included in the output. In this video, we explained how to use environment variables in Dify. While environment variables are a powerful and convenient feature, improper handling can lead to the leakage of critical information, such as API keys. Please use them carefully. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into other features of Dify, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AI Makoto Works for more tutorials. See you in the next video.